Next is question 4. So here we are given complex numbers z1, z2 and z3, and the equation is 2 over z1 is equal to 1 over z2 plus 1 over z3. And z2 is given as 2 plus 3i and z3 is given as 3 minus 2i. And we know the rules of complex numbers, I square is equal to minus 1. And we have to write z1 in the form of a plus bi. So first we'll write the equation with the values given. 2 over z1 is equal to 1 over z2 is 2 plus 3i plus 1 over z3 is 3 minus 2i. So first we'll solve the two fractions here. So cross multiply, and for the denominator you multiply the denominators because the two are different complex numbers, which will give you 3 minus 2i, and in the center we have plus 2 plus 3i into 1 will be 2 plus 3i divided by 2 plus 3i by 3 minus 2i, which will give you 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2i plus 3i will be plus I divided by 2 by 3 is 6, 2 by minus 2i will be minus 4i plus 3i by 3 will be plus 9i and plus 3i by minus 2i will be minus 6i squared. You will have 5 plus I divided by 6 minus 4i plus 9i will be plus 5i minus 6i square will be, I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 6 will be plus 6. So we will have 5 plus I divided by 6 plus 6 will be 12 plus 5i, which is actually 2 over z1. Now we will cross multiply to have z1 on one side and the rest on the other side. This is rearranging. We'll have z1 will be equal to 2 by 12 plus 5i divided by 5 plus I. So this becomes 24 plus 10i over 5 plus I. So we have to rationalize the denominator. So multiply by 5 minus I into 5 minus I in the numerator and the denominator. So we will have z1 is equal to, first we will multiply 24 plus 10i into 5 minus I. So we will have 120 minus 24i plus 50i minus 10i square divided by the denominator is x plus y into x minus y form, which is x square minus y square. So that will be 5 square minus I square. The numerator will have 120 plus 26i because 50i minus 24i will be 26i. Then minus 10i square will be, I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 10 will be plus 10. The whole divided by 5 square is 25 and I square is minus 1 of minus will be plus 1. So we will have 120 plus 10 will be 130 plus 26i divided by 25 plus 1 will be 26. So we have this expression, which is 130 plus 26i divided by 26. If we multiply the numerator and denominator by 26, we will get 5 plus I. Next we have another complex number omega such that omega to the power n is equal to 1 and omega is not equal to 1, and they have given s, which is the sum of the series 1 plus omega square until omega to the power n minus 1. Then we have to find, using the formula, sum of finite geometric series to write the value of s in its simplest form. So we know sum of n series in this form, which is a plus ar plus dot 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 goes until ar to the power n minus 1. This is a geometric series. So here in our current question, we have to use the formula Sn, the sum is equal to a by 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r, because both are having the same form. So instead of a we have 1 and instead of r we have omega. So we'll use the formula now. So sum of n, that is a finite geometric series, will be 1 by, that is a by 1 minus r to the power n will be omega to the power n divided by 1 minus r will be 1 minus omega, which is 1 by 1 minus omega to the power n is given in the question as 1 over 1 minus omega, 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0 by 1 will be 0 over 1 minus omega, which is 0. Therefore, the sum of this series is 0. For more videos, continue watching. For doubts, post in the comment section or email me. Thanks for watching.